If you want to learn ethical hacking, then subscribe this channel and press the bell button. This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only. Use earphones for better experience. Hello friends, welcome back to Hackzone channel. Today we will show you how to control your Android device and to fix some screen flickering issues by using Kali Linux. So let's start. Type sudo su. Type sudo apt-get install scrcpy. Click OK. Like and subscribe our channel for next coming videos.